Hi.
Where are we today?
Today we are at the Seas Exploration Lab called the Dream Lab.
How did you get started working with the
I
lab?
came here to attend the workshop. Now I'm the part of the dream team.
How did this lab get started?
To create a maker space for the students.
How many people work here?
Around like 80 to 20 people.
What are you working on right now?
Right now I'm working on the mini electronic kits.
What is the coolest feature of this lab?
I would say the coolest feature is our soldering stations.
Why?
I would just solder and I love electronics.
What is that?
Oh, this is our CNC machine.
What does this do?
It does the opposite of 3D printing. It cuts down solid material.
What is your favorite part about working in this lab?
My favorite part about working at the Dream Lab is the 3D printer because these are all brand new.
Where are you most excited to be working in the lab this year?
This semester, I'm going to be hosting a 3D printed jewelry workshop where you could potentially show up and deal with one of these.
How do you balance your other responsibilities as a student while working here?
It's just time management.
Is your space available to UB students?
It's open to all UB students Monday to Friday, 11 to 6 p.m.
How can students get involved with Dream Lab?
Come here, attend the workshop, and also you can do the UB Learn self-module learning.
What has been your favorite workshop?
My favorite workshop here at Dream are the workshops are the Intro to Fusion workshops.
Do you have any new technologies this semester?
In fact, we do. We have this new robotic arm that we'll be working with soon.
What are you excited to work on next?
Me personally, I'm excited to work on workshops with the CNC machine in the back.